Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the product service. Today, we're taking a look at Sano Genetics, found at sanogenetics.com. Sano Genetics offers a comprehensive approach to health and wellness, utilizing genetic testing to provide personalized recommendations for diet, exercise, and supplementation. Their website, sanogenetics.com, serves as a hub for information regarding their services. Navigating to the site, you'll find details about their testing process, which involves a simple saliva sample. This non-invasive method allows for a detailed analysis of your genetic makeup, providing insights into how your body processes nutrients, responds to various forms of exercise, and potential predispositions to certain health conditions. Sano Genetics aims to empower individuals to take control of their health by understanding their unique genetic blueprint. The analysis provided goes beyond simply identifying genetic markers; it translates this complex data into actionable advice. This could include personalized diet plans, tailored workout routines, and recommendations for specific supplements to address potential deficiencies or optimize performance. By understanding your genetic predispositions, you can make informed decisions about your lifestyle and take proactive steps towards achieving optimal health and well-being. The company emphasizes the importance of using this genetic information in conjunction with guidance from healthcare professionals. They encourage clients to discuss their results with their doctors or other qualified healthcare providers to develop a comprehensive and personalized health plan. Sano Genetics' website provides resources and contact information to facilitate this process. They underscore that genetic information is one piece of the puzzle and should be integrated with other factors such as medical history, lifestyle, and current health status. For those interested in learning more, visiting sanogenetics.com offers a deeper dive into their methodology, the science behind their testing, and the potential benefits of a genetically guided approach to wellness. They likely provide testimonials, FAQs, and possibly even contact information for consultations to answer any lingering questions. So, if you're looking for a personalized roadmap to better health, based on your individual genetic makeup, be sure to check out sanogenetics.com. Remember, the information presented here is based on my own research and experience, and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet, exercise routine, or supplement regimen.